The most beautiful thing in this world is to see your parents smiling and knowing that you are the reason behind that smile. Our success is not only ours, our parents equally shares it. It wouldn't be wrong if we'll say that our parents work as hard as a farmer do on his harvest. Since morning to evening, a farmer works for his farm, providing better quality fertilizers, seeds, watering them, witness their growth with lot of expectations, and then at the end, the harvest decides the profit or loss. Same like a farmer, our parents do lot of hard work to provide us better quality education. Work all day and night just to fulfill our needs in a hope that one day we'll be successful and we'll make them proud. Their profit and loss is in our hand. It's all in our hand. Who do you think they are working for? It's you. If you will not make them proud, if you will not make them happy, then who? Trust me, you may get many ups and downs, many setbacks. But look up at your parents who worked so hard for you. And now it's your turn to pay them back. It's your chance to give them back. Many at a time you'll find life challenging and it's gonna slap you hard at many points. But that's all it takes. Failure is when you decide to fail. And there's no such thing like failure. And that's what you're gonna learn when you will see a big smile on your parents' face. And you will be the reason behind that smile, as I said. Go ahead and make your parents proud and give it your best whatever you are doing. The only short message I'd like to share is believe in yourself. Nothing is as hard as it looks like. You don't have to be topper. You don't have to be a winner every time. You just need to participate and give your 100% in everything. And that's all you have to do. May I tell you that life is not predictable. You can't even guarantee about the next 2 hours from right now. So how can you predict your entire future? Your academic marks doesn't matter the most. They are not the only thing you need. It's not gonna decide your entire life. If you are truly working hard for your passion, then you'll grab it for sure. What students do, they behave immature. They try to give their life or even some other major step just for the mark sheet. Do a mark sheet can decide your future? Do a life don't matters? They are not only harming themselves, they are punishing their parents too. As it said, the one who continues the game with all the difficulties and fight till the end is the real warrior, not the one who quit the game in between. I'm not here to preach you. I'm here to let you know that there are many more things going around. They are far greater than your little complaints. There were many challenges. There were a lot of struggle which your parents did for you. And it's your time to do even much more better for them. You'll come to the point where you'll realize that there are many things which are going to just test you. Or you'll feel that there are many situations where you'll feel like you're broken or you'll feel like you're going to break. But that's the time to show what you're really made up of. That's the time to show how really tough you are. What actually happens in society is that we are bounded with many clamor of expectations of parents, siblings, relatives. It'll probably, you can either be a doctor or engineer or lawyer, that's it. But is it the only thing to do? No. Invest in yourself. Invest in your passion which you'd love to follow. Invest in your ideas and prove yourself best in it. Just give your best in what everything you are doing. It will lead you to something great in future. Listen, you'll not get result by focusing on the result. You'll get result by focusing on the action that produce result.